Hello Disney lovers, welcome back. I'm Kathy and this is my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm here today with a Magic at Your Door unboxing and it's Halloween themed. Yay! I am so excited for this box. It is today, what is it? October 26th. So hopefully I'll get this up for you before Halloween actually comes. But I have to be honest, Halloween isn't one of my favorite holidays. So I'm curious to see how this box turns out for me. But yeah, let's get started. I'm pretty sure I can already guess what color the little confetti is going to be. Oh my goodness, I forgot. So my birthday was October 13th. So this is also a happy birthday box for me. So it says, "Happy birthday, Catherine, from your friends at Magic at Your Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all your wishes will come true." How sweet. Thank you. Awesome. All right, so of course there is the pricing information right when I open up the box, and right on top, look at how pretty this looks. Yay! So some Halloween ears, which when I'm going, Halloween's already gonna be past, but that's okay. Always good to have. And then of course, purple, orange, and white confetti. Yay! Okay, so I love these. I love how bright that coloring is. And sequins, of course. How could you not love sequins? I'm sure there's people watching this like, I hate sequins. Yay! This does not go with what I'm wearing. I'm not wearing anything Halloween themed at all, but I like how they look. Should probably put my hair down. Yay! All right, I'll wear these for the rest of the video, of course. Let's move on. So, ears. Awesome. This is gonna make such a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay. There is a hat in here as well. A Minnie Mouse hat, even with ears. I love that. Ears and the big red bow on the top. Let me see what that looks like on too. Very cute. I like it. Oh my gosh. Now this I can wear when I go back to Disney in November. So awesome. Oh my goodness. It's like, what do I wear? Should I wear the sequin ears? Should I wear these? Should I just kind of combine them? No, I don't think that'll work. Let's keep going. So next thing I'm seeing is silver pouch. I can't feel anything in there. Oh wait, maybe jewelry or a pin, but it has some of the orange and purple confetti right on the inside, so very cute. Don't get on my floor. Okay, open this baby up. Look, there's a little green in there, a little spooky green too. Okay. Hello. I was starting to think they didn't put anything in my pouch. They did. Jewelry. Oh, how cute. Okay, for my birthday. Little Mickey hoops. And they are pink for October. Yay, very cute. Awesome. I can always use more subtle Disney jewelry. It's like an earring collection now. And I didn't have any dangly Disney earrings. Like the ones that I'm wearing today are just Mickey shapes. So that'll be nice to have something that's a little bit dangly. All right. What is this? Oh wait, there's something in it too. Okay. Ooh. Look at this. So, oh. Okay, so this is some sort of shirt or sweater. Let me shake out all the confettis. So this is actually from Hot Topic. The tag says Hot Topic, and it is a Beauty and the Beast long sleeve shirt. So this could be very useful for my trip in November too. Very pretty with the rose and everything. How warm is it? It's not too heavy, so that might be good for like Florida weather. I won't feel like I'm dying. And then inside of that sweater was this. What? Halloween is so sweet. Happy Halloween, hot chocolate with marshmallows. Oh my goodness, it even comes in a little cauldron. Hold on. Stop! Look at this hidden Mickey. Right away, I'm like, oh, that little drip has a little hidden Mickey in it. So it comes in this little spooky cauldron. How cute. I want to see, I'm going to try to open it for you guys. Ooh, that was actually pretty easy. I thought that would be more difficult. And it has a little handle on the cauldron too. Oh, I love this. I'm not a Halloween person, so this was a really, like, this is good. The hot chocolate is nice. That's kind of like makes me feel Christmassy, but it's in this cute little Halloween container to go with my little Halloween ears. So that was my birthday / October Magic at Your Door box. Let's go through the prices. Okay, so the Halloween ears, weirdly enough, didn't have a price on them. Some of you that already own these ears might know what the actual price is, but I just rounded. I said 20. So when I was factoring in the total, I figured they were probably around 20, maybe they're 25. But with them being 20, the total of everything in this box came to $113.87, which is awesome considering I paid $90 for it, including shipping. And this is so exciting because I'm going to Disney in 3 weeks, about when you should be seeing this video. So it'll be like 3 weeks from the date this video is up. So I'm so excited to have things to bring with me. And this is definitely a must. I might not bring the Halloween ears because I'm pretty sure Disney will already be in full like Christmas season spirit, which is great for me because I love Christmas and I love Disney Christmas. No one does Christmas like Disney World. But anyway, I am so excited about this box. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite things were. And I hope you all have a really happy Halloween. See you next time, Disney lovers.